In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in WordPress. We'll start inside the WordPress site editor, working on the homepage template. Open the site editor from your dashboard so you're looking at the page layout, then click directly on the image you want to adjust. If you see the whole section selected at first, just click again until the image itself is highlighted and its toolbar appears. You're ready to crop. Look for the image cropping controls. Depending on your version, these appear in the block toolbar above the image or in the settings panel on the right. Open the aspect ratio options and choose Square 1.1. You'll see a live crop frame applied to your image, which helps you visualize exactly how it will display. This kind of crop is great for grids, avatars, and clean, symmetric layouts. Open the same aspect ratio menu again and try Standard 4:3. This is a classic photographic frame that feels natural for many website sections and featured images. You'll notice the frame adjusts instantly. Open the menu one more time and pick Portrait 3:4. This is taller than it is wide and works well for team photos, product shots, or anything you want to emphasize vertically. With an aspect ratio selected, fine-tune the composition. Click and drag the image within the crop frame to reposition the subject, or drag the handles if they're available to refine alignment. Keep key elements away from the very edges to avoid awkward cuts, and watch how text or overlays in your design will align with the image after cropping. Use the zoom control to nudge the framing closer. A small zoom often makes the subject feel more intentional, but avoid overzooming, which can reduce clarity. If you change your mind, you can adjust the zoom back down and reposition until it looks balanced. Take a moment here. Small tweaks make a big difference in how professional the page feels. When you're happy with the crop and zoom, click Apply to commit those changes to the image block. You'll see the updated preview right in the editor. Now save your work. Click Save in the top corner, review the summary if prompted, and confirm. Save again to publish the change to your template. Finally, choose Launch or View to load the live site and confirm the image looks exactly as intended in context. That's it. You've learned how to crop images in WordPress, switch between